following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. A ball of fluff has been spotted flying around the United States eating people. Here's the following characteristics for coded voice eating people. Growing bigger in size, shrinking, and so many more. The fall of love has been identified at this time. Its name is Puffball from BFDIA BFB and the power of 2. Stay tuned for more updates.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
The following message was transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Puffball got bigger than the Empire State Building, and it's reported eating the Empire State Building and then swallowing it. There's no way of building back the Empire State Building. Soon it would become bigger than the Earth. Stay tuned for more updates on the situation.
The emergency alert system has interrupted regular programming to bring you a message from the United States government. Please stand by.
The following message was transmitted at the United States government. This is not a test. Puffball has become bigger than the Earth. There is no way to stop Puffball. Go into panic mode. We will play our final activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
Welcome to K-12, Michigan's leading provider